But for Speedrome, that's all close enough for government work. There we go. Coulter in the 18, Carl Schilling in the 116. 3-4 wide going into turn number 1 as everybody tries to pile in, pile on, and get on through. Check out the 83 of Santiago there, working his way through traffic in midfield as Coulter leads the first lap. Schilling drops to second. Third place is going to be Jimmy Mays going up against in the 1 car, going up against the Kenneth Smith 111 machine. No start whatsoever from Mazden in the 88. He pulls off early as Coulter is now starting to stretch out an advantage. Number 83. Schilling hangs on. Here's Smith to the inside of him. Here goes Bartholomew outside, 3 wide going into turn number 1. And here comes the Talladega pileup. No, they dodged that bullet. No, there goes Schilling now, broadside to the field. Gets it back going again, straightened up. Your leader is still the 18 of Coulter. Second place now is Bartholomew in the 51.
Behind, so right now Coulter trying to fight through lap traffic. And where is he going to go? I guess the road less traveled on the outside. This is the division, this is the race that'll make you a racer because you have to learn how to pass people. And Coulter goes up track. Jason Coulter goes wide. Here comes Steve Todd in the 12. Coulter in the 18, your leader. Todd in the 12. Now lead change at the line. Now lap traffic. Steve Todd in the 12. Car is hitting the wall, losing wheels to the outside. Cole Trickle's going to go into the infield, and we go red. But out of turn number 4, the number 12 of Steve Todd, checkered flag in tonight's factory front-wheel drive oval. We're letting you know there's a problem. We stay green, and we're battling for the lead. Elkins Jr. working the outside groove of your front row starter, Barry Turner, has led the lap, or led the race all this time, but new leader, lap number 4.
All battle for second, led by the 36. Oh, contact. Now Coulter moves in on this bit as we continue through. All right, so now we got our mix, Tommy. This is kind of where things seem to really jumble up in these figure 8 races. You really want to pay attention. You have to pay attention to what's coming on the other side, but sometimes you'll lose sight of what's right in front of you. We've seen it before where cars will whoa up in the intersection. Drivers will be watching what's coming.
Now, your leader checking out.
Oh, yeah.
Big time lead for the 39 of Elkins Jr.
And this is what they're fighting against. I love it. Who doesn't love figure 8 racing?
To give you a tease of this race, www.lowbudget.
Yeah.
And that's your 36 machine, Barry Turner, who started on the pole.
Here's your leader.
Barry Turner in the 5th spot had to hit the brakes and come to a stop.
Oh, where are you gonna go?
Still battling for the lead.
Lap traffic's gonna come into play on this one.
And Jeremy, this is the beauty of figure 8 racing.
Now is it, oh, the 39, now is it possible, Tommy? This is what we're talking about.
Well, I was gonna say the beauty of figure 8 racing. Van Valkenburg, the 3rd, up into the lead now. Getting by Elkins, but Jeffrey, when you're side by side.
Was that your leader?
Yes, we're not done yet. And out of the corner, down the straight, checkered flag. In the factory front-wheel drive figure 8. Well, it was a great battle up front for the lead.